talking about Canon CLIQ 2. I also took a few pictures to show you at the end. Let's begin. So there are filters. There's black, white, and vivid. There's black and white and vivid. There are also borders. As you can see behind these, there are also borders. So first we'll be loading inside the zinc paper, which is 2x3. It's sticky backed paper, so it's like stickers. They're stickers. So you open this up. Remember not to touch the inside. So the blue paper, let's first open our camera. The blue paper always goes down. And then we put this here. Okay, so now our paper's loaded. Now let's on it by holding the on button for a few seconds. Okay, let's take a nice little photo of this cute bear. Let's take a nice photo of this little cute bear. Okay, so first the blue paper is gonna come out, but then the actual photo is gonna come out. While we wait, here's a few photos that I showed you that I made. So first there's this one. Okay, and then there's a picture of a flower pot. And then there's this little cute Christmas tree. The camera comes with its own USB charger, which is pretty cool. Oh, look, now the blue paper came out. So now it's going to print out the other one. As you can see, it's turning colors. So that means it's printing. Oh, you probably noticed that I jazzed my camera up with a bit of stickers, and then I added my name. Okay. Oh, it's done printing. So, as it says on the packet, it's sticky backed photo paper, which means it's also stickers. So we pick one corner, and then it's really easy. We just need to stick a nail in there and just peel it. And then you can stick it on to almost anything. There, look, it's on. So, in the camera, the view is pretty beautiful. It's not blurry at all. It's so clear and everything looks the exact same. So, you can take a photo like this, or you could take a photo using the lens on the front just for a selfie. There's a mirror. There's a built-in mirror to the front if you wanted to take a selfie. So there are even some there are even some white lines to show you what area you need to be in to make sure nobody's outside of the photo. But that's all I say. Oh, and there is an app where you can download it, and then you can get photos from your own phone or iPad, and then you can print it in your camera. Well, that's now all I needed to say. It's a really good gift for kids, honestly anybody, not just kids. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye.